it's Mara here, and thanks for coming to check out my video. So in today's video, I am going to be going through Profit Alliance, which is a brand new program that's just come out from Michael Chene, who is a basically multi-millionaire through affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get. I'm going to show you my Profit Alliance bonuses. Basically just give you the whole enchilada, okay? The reason why I love it is because it's so simple to use. You don't have to pay for traffic or anything like that. It's brilliant. All right, so let's go inside and take a tour, shall we? Okay, so when you click on the link below, you're going to come to this page, which is the page I created, and basically just pop in your email. Make sure you use your right email so you can get my bonuses. Okay, and because we're just going to kick off with my bonuses, right? So once you do that, you're then going to come to this page. All right, and I'm going to put the video I'm recording right now here instead of my photo in Croatia. So first of all, Profit Alliance is ridiculous price. It's less than $10, and you're going to get over $1,700 in value. Plus, you're going to get 100% commissions throughout one of Michael Chene's top selling offers, which means if someone bought all of the OTOs, that's over $400 in value, okay, for 10 bucks. Plus all of course, what you're going to get inside the course and all the bonuses. Literally, it is a no-brainer. So here are some of the bonuses you're going to get. And then these are my bonuses. You're going to get a video course for content marketing, paid traffic, the Big Commissions Bootcamp Masterclass, as well as you're going to get free lifetime access to my affiliate marketing training course, which includes many free and paid traffic sources that I personally use. And there are over 100 income streams that you can earn from inside my course. Okay, for $9.95. Like, hello. Okay, so these are the main training modules. Getting started, grab your money link. So this is where you're basically going to get your 100% commissions here. So when you click on that, this is the 7-figure launch system. So look, 100% commissions on the whole funnel. Plus, in the OTO 1, you'll get a chance to earn $3,000 commissions times 10. So you'll have basically get 10 licenses to Michael's private coaching, which he sells for $6,000, and you'll get 50%. So that's $3,000. You don't do any of the work. They do it all. And if anyone purchases a 7-figure launch system through you, which like I said, you get the 100% commissions only through Profit Alliance, then yeah, you're just going to get $3,000 in your bank account, and you get 10 of those licenses. So it's $30,000 potentially you can earn if you get the Profit Alliance OTO 1, okay? So this 100% commissions is for the $9.95, okay? You will get that. So it's right in here, okay? So there's also getting ready-made promos. So you literally just kind of copy and paste these for emails, for social media posts, blog posts even. So he teaches you how to get an audience, how to get content, how to get free traffic, and of course, how to get sales. And then, so this is a live onboarding session, which is happening in several days. Also, that's one thing I want to point out. This $9.95 offer for Profit Alliance will close midnight, November 14th, EST time. Okay, so it's going to at least double in price. So you got to act very fast to get in at the $9.95 price. Okay, so these are all of your bonuses throughout here. And then, so this is what I was talking about, the Premium Profits Pack. So these are the 3 OTOs. So we can take a little look at that right now. So this was 30,000. All right, so I'm just going to skim through all this. He's showing you a bunch more testimonials. Banked 78 grand in 90 days. 13,000 in 6 days. Total newbies, 616. And like I said, so in the 7-figure launch, as I just showed you over here, you add all these up, and that's over $400 if someone was to buy them all, right? And you get this automatically for getting Profit Alliance, okay? And you can even get it in 2 easy payments, all right? So let's just go down here. Okay, so lots and lots of testimonials, people that he's helped. I mean, he's been doing affiliate marketing for like 20 years, so he does know what he's talking about. So they do all the fulfillment, all the training, all of the coaching, all of the customer service. Okay. So you literally don't have to do anything. So this is it. So they pay $6,000 to have, one-on-one mentorship with him, and you'll get $3,000. So this is called the Premium Partner Pack. But there's also lifetime recurring commissions as well, which is amaze balls. And you get 100% commissions on those, okay? And they got a stick rate of 6 to 12 months, and 10 to 30% of their customers join this, okay? You also get the constant commission system. They're going to show you how they basically generate commissions every day. Total email automation, the 7-figure affiliate formula, masterclass, 1K per day case study. So you get quite a lot as well as the $3,000 commission. So this is, you get 10 high ticket license pack. So like I say, you have 10 licenses that you're gonna make $3,000 per sale. So it's $30,000. I mean, it's just so cray. All right, so it goes on about that, but yeah, so that is one. So this is all you're gonna get for the Premium Profit Alliance pack. So lifetime recurring commissions, consistent commission system, total email automation, 7-figure launch formula, masterclass, 1K per day, and then 10 with $30,000. And that is $197, and it has a 30-day guarantee, just like the front end offer of Profit Alliance, okay? So kind of a no-brainer as well. And then the other two OTOs, the 10 times profit launcher, basically you're gonna get 10 more income streams that has done for you sales pages and emails and things like that. I believe that one is $97 one time. And then the traffic automator, which is also $97 one time. And he shows you lots and lots of ways to get free traffic. Okay, so that literally is about it. So for $9.95, jump on board and definitely check out this one here, the Premium Profits Pack. Okay, so click the link below. My bonuses, you'll find them as soon as you join and get the front end. When you get your affiliate link, you'll find my bonuses below, or just reply to any of my emails and tell, say I got it. All right, so thanks again for watching my Profit Alliance review. If you have any questions, obviously leave the comments below, and I hope to see you on the inside. Obviously, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, as I have lots of videos coming out on how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. All right, have yourself an awesome day. Cheers.